to solve another one easy problem from LeetCode. The problem name is +1. This is the sample input and output. I'm just taking screenshot. Then I go to Excalibur and paste it. In this problem, we are just going to take last digit from the array, and also we are going to add one number. Here 3 is the last digit. We are going to 3 plus 1, which means 4. We are going to return 4. The same principle is applicable in this problem also. In the third example, they provided only one digit, which is 9. If our input is greater than 9, if our input is greater than 9, greater than 9, we are just going to return like 1 comma 2, like this. This is the problem construct. Let's jump into code. I'm just going to declare for loop here. For let I equal to 0, I less than digits dot length. Here we are going to iterate the whole array in I++. In display we just need a last number. If we iterate like this, we are iterate 1 2 3, we will iterate the whole array. But instead of iterating like this, you can take the last digit in the first iteration, which means digits are length minus 1, which means here is the length is 3. If 3 minus 1 is 2, array always start from the index of 0. So we are going to start from 3 here. That means digit start length, and also greater than or equal to 0, then I minus. This is the loop. And then going to check if condition digits of I, which means last digit, is less than 9. If it is less than 9, we are just going to add 1, which means digits of I equal to digits of I plus 1. This is the, then we are going to return digits. Digits. If we run our program, our test case 1 and 2 will be executed successfully. Just run it. If our first case and second case will be executed successfully. Now go to third case. If our digit is 9, we are going to return 1 comma 9. This is the sample output and input. I am just going to, if our digit is greater than 9, less than 9, we are going to digits of I equal to 0. If we run our program, we are going to see we get I'm just return digits. Let's run. So we get the out of 0. If our test case is 9, 9, just run it. What will be the output? So we have 0 0 0, which is applicable from this line. So we just add 1 in the input of the array. So how can we add 1 in the starting? So we can use array.unsplit method. Digits of unshift, we are going to add 1. Then if we run the program, we get the output. Let's submit the program. So our program executed successfully and also beat 100%. Okay, this is the program. Just a minute. I'm going to carbon code sh. This is it guys, we will see in the next video. Ta-ta.